Tell me when. Hi, this is SJK from Steve TV. We're here live on the first storm of the season. It's getting pretty crazy out here. We're here at Market Basket in Oxford, and we have some people here shopping. I don't know what they're buying. Maybe condoms, rolling papers. What exactly are you buying today?
I'm picking up my daughter.
He's picking up his daughter from work?
Yep.
What a concerned parent. That is so awesome. How old's your daughter, sir?
She's 16.
16 years old. She has a job. You're instilling those values that we need.
Yes,
I see that.
Yes, I am. Yep.
Good. That's very, very good. That's what's going to get America back on track. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You have a good night now. This is Steve TV. Back to the studios.